In this part, we will talk more about the function modifier, and great, our zombie now has a functional cooldown timer, and we are going to add some additional helper methods. And you can see we've created a new file called zombie helpers, which import the zombie feedings. So zombie helper is zombie feeding, so at last it will also inherit from the ownable, because it is zombie feeding is also zombie factory. The zombie factory is ownable. Previously we looked at the simple example of only owner, but the function modifier actually can also take arguments just like this, and we can pass the age and user ID. For example, he wants to set a drive car conditions. So if this is older than a certain age, we can allow the user to drive. So we have to set a require, and we have this mapping. So if we want to find the age of a user, we can use age square bracket underscore user ID, and this is going to check whether this is greater than a certain age. So if this is true, it will allow to drive, and we paste the underscore here to run the rest of the code. So in this example, it is going to check whether this user is older than 16. If yes, it will run the logic at the rest of the code. And we can also now go to the test, and in the zombie helper we are going to add the modifier. So we can copy this and paste to here, and the modifier is called above level. The above level, there is two arguments. One is the level and the other is the zombie ID. And so this require the make sure the zombie level is greater than the certain level. So we paste this, and we delete this, and we paste with underscore level, and now we can check the answer. So we can go to next chapter.